To record a future show on your Xumo Stream box using Cloud DVR, start by powering on the device. Navigate to the live TV guide using the remote. Select the channel and the show you want to record. Press the record button, typically found on the remote or within the Xumo app interface. You'll have options for one-time, daily, or weekly recordings. For a series, choose Record Series to automatically capture all episodes. Manage your scheduled and completed recordings in the My Recordings section, where you can delete, pause, or resume playback. The recordings are stored in the cloud. Xumo's Cloud DVR stores recordings on remote servers, accessible via the Xumo app on various devices, offering flexibility and eliminating local storage constraints. Ensure a stable internet connection, ideally 25 megabits or higher, for smooth recording and playback. Voice search via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant can expedite scheduling. Be aware that recordings are stored for 90 days before automatic deletion. The free tier offers 50 hours of recording time, with premium subscriptions available for expanded storage and features. Xumo's Cloud DVR is trending towards AI integration, suggesting recordings based on viewing habits, making it a cost-effective alternative to paid services.